Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Jabir Imran. In this video, I will explain briefly about how to get registered with Turkish Medical Council. If you want to practice in Turkey, then you must have to register with Turkish Medical Council, which is possible by either you take some Turkish language exam and some clinical exam. Before we go into detail of these exams, we should be familiar with how to get registered with Turkish Medical Council. So there are basically 10 steps you must have to know, and what documents are required, how to clear the exam, and what are the preparation materials. So let's come to our main topic. 10 steps to work in Turkey as a specialist doctor. Step 1 is prepare the required documents for equivalence application to Turkish Ministry of Higher Education. Bachelor's degree documented from Ministry of Foreign Affairs in your country. Number 2, transcript documented from Ministry of Foreign Affairs in your country. High school certificate documented from Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Photocopy of your passport. Power of attorney for us to do the procedure in behalf of you in the Turkish Ministry of Higher Education and Ministry of Health. Step 2, send the documents to office in Ankara via DHL, or you can come to Turkey by yourself if you want. Step 3, we will submit your documents to the Turkish Ministry of Higher Education. Review process will take from 8 to 10 months. The original documents will be returned to you after open your folder in Turkish Ministry of Higher Education. Step 4, in this period you have to learn the Turkish language and be prepared for equivalence exam. You can learn Turkish online through the link that is given in the description. Step 5, you have to enter equivalent exam which called STS, which held twice a year on April and September in Ankara. Step 6, mandatory training in government educational hospital for 6 to 9 months in medicine, surgery, pediatrics, obstetrics, gynecology, family medicine, emergency medicine. So these are mandatory to get registered with Turkish Medical Council. Step 7, receiving the equivalence certificate from the Turkish Ministry of Higher Education. And now you have to try to work as a GP to start a residency in Turkey. Step 8, submit the required documents for specialist equivalence application to the Ministry of Health. Step 9, in this step you have to oral examine your specialty. If you pass, you will gain the equivalence certificate. If not, you will have to work under supervision for 3 months in one of the teaching hospital. Step 10, you will gain the equivalence certificate and permission to practice the profession as a specialist doctor. So now we'll come to the exam details. What are the exams, and what is the pattern of exams? The exam consists of 120 questions as the following: containing medicine having 40 questions, pediatrics 30 questions, general surgery 30 questions, obs and gynecology 20 questions. The passing score is 35 out of 100. The score was 40, but after COVID-19 they lowered the required score to 35. So what are the documents that are required to register with Turkish Medical Council? First one is a bachelor's degree equivalent certificate, a copy of translation of the passport, a certificate of specialization and translation to the Turkish language, the certificate of completion of training CCT, translation to the Turkish language. So STS exam, you can get online course by clicking on this link. There are many online classes are available, and you can get your certificate by clearing your exam online. So this was all about Turkish Medical Council and how to get registered with Turkish Medical Council. And inshallah in next video we will discuss how to get as a GP job in Turkey. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you so much. All the best.